Okay, y'all. Hi. Here's the deal. I'm like uber excited, yes I did say uber, about my astronomy class that I'm fixing to take. It starts on the 23rd of this month. Um, here's the deal. I am going to read y'all, you all, you guys, yes, um, a passage out of this book, Astronomy Today, and it's from my Astronomy 200 class. Now, I'm doing this for two reasons. Number one, I am like really excited about this class because I've always been like really interested in astronomy and stuff like that. So, and the second reason is eventually, if I can ever, which I will eventually get in, but you know, I will be taking a oral speech class, um, which is public. Well, I'm going to be taking a public speech class, which I've got to take. It would be a lot better for me to take that with my major and everything, so um, going into elementary education. So therefore, I will need to get up and speak in front of a group of people every day. I mean, of course, they are miniature people, but they're still people. So it will help me with my speech, um, without saying the word all the time. And it basically get me more comfortable with speaking out loud. Okay, so here goes. Astronomy Today is the school book that I'm reading out of, and it's the seventh edition. Okay, now I am reading Astronomy and the Universe. Okay. Now it's part one. This is the very beginning of part one of the book. So, here goes. It is often said that we live in a golden age of astronomy. Yet the dawn of the 21st century is actually the second such period of rich discovery and rapid exploration. The late Renaissance began the first era of stunning scientific advancement, when modern astronomy was born. Most notable among these spearheading most notable among those spearheading the rebirth of astronomy at the time was the Italian scientist Galileo Galilei, um, date 1564 through 1642. By turning his telescope to the heavens, he changed radiology and forever mankind's view of the universe in which we live. That's interesting, huh? Okay. Although he did not invent the telescope, in 1610 Galileo was the first to record what he saw when he aimed a small 5 centimeter diameter lens at the sky. His findings created nothing less than a revolution in astronomy. Interesting, huh? Viewing for the first time dark blemishes on the sun, rugged mountains on the moon, and whole new worlds orbiting Jupiter, he demolished the Aristotelian, I think that's how you say that, view of cosmic immutability. Jupiter, he demolished, I'm sorry, the notion that the heavens were perfect and unchanging. To be sure, it was with the philosophers of the day, as much as with the theologian that Galileo had trouble in championing the scientific method. He used a tool to test his ideas, and what he found disagreed greatly with the leading thoughts and beliefs of the time. Okay, y'all will have to forgive me. Like I said, this is practice for my speech class once I do take it. That way I won't be, completely booed and left out of the classroom. Galileo's advice was simple yet profound. He used the telescope to focus, magnify, and study radiation reaching Earth from the heavens. In particular, light from the sun, the moon, and the planets. Light is the most familiar kind of radiation to humans on Earth, since it enables us to get around on the surface of our planet. But light also enables telescopes to see objects deep in space, allowing us to probe further than the eye can alone. Never thought it was that way, but this is the truth. With his simple optical telescope, Galileo changed completely the way the other side, astronomy, is pursued. Okay, I will show y'all now a picture of Galileo. So, just flip my page. But there he is. Handsome fella, what was it? Okay. My chair keeps turning around. Among other wondrous things he found were crowded star clusters among the Milky Way, moons and rings around the big planets, and colorful nebulae aglow, unlike anything anyone had seen before. Some of Galileo's sketches are reproduced here at the left and compared with modern views at the right. Okay. Galileo's view. So, right, those are his drawings. There you go. And the modern drawings, or modern pictures, rather. Okay. Sorry, that's hurting my eye. Alright. Oh, excuse me. Today, we are again in the midst of another period of unsurpassed scientific achievement, a revolution in which modern astronomers are revealing the invisible universe as Galileo once spied the visible universe. We have learned how to detect, measure, and analyze the visible radiation streaming to us from dark objects in space, and once again our perceptions are changing. Astronomy no longer involves vision of solving intellectuals peering through long telescope tubes, nor does the cosmos any longer refer to that seemingly inactive, immutable regime, seen visually when we gaze at the nighttime sky. Modern astronomers now decipher a more vibrant, changing universe, one in which stars emerge and perish like living things. Galaxies spew forth vast quantities of energy, and life itself is thought to be a natural consequence of the evolution of matter. Very interesting. What did he say? use my house is like a mess. Just a clean. Okay. Let's see where I'm at. Okay. New discoveries are rapidly advancing our understanding of the universe, but they also raise new questions. Astronomers will encounter many problems in the decades ahead, but this should neither dismay nor frustrate us, for it is precisely how science operates. Each discovery adds to our storehouse of information, generating a host of questions that lead in turn to more discoveries, and so on, causing an acceleration of basic knowledge. Most notably, we are beginning to perceive the universe in all its multivaried ways. A single generation, not the generation of our parents and not that of our children, but our generation, has opened up the whole electromagnetic spectrum beyond visible light. And what we, too, have found are wondrous things. Emerging lately from studies of the invisible universe, our view of the cosmos in its full splendor is one of many new specific or scientific insights that we have recently been privileged to attain. Historians of the future may well regard our generation as one that took a great leap forward, providing a whole new glimpse of our richly endowed universe. In all of history, there have been only two periods in which our perception of the universe has been so revolutionized within a single human lifetime. The first occurred 4 centuries ago at the time of Galileo. The second is now underway. Now, is that not like some very interesting stuff? I mean, for real. How interesting is this astronomy? Love it. Love it. Love it. I mean, think about it. Who knows how long space goes on? I mean, is there like a dead end to it and then there's nothing? Or because it's like last and last and last and last and last forever? Very, very interesting. Makes you wonder. I mean, it really, really makes you wonder. Okay. Oh, I guess that's it for now. More later. We'll see. Bye.